Hi there and Happy New Year to everyone. He's hoping that 2021 is a good one for all of us after the interesting year we had in 2020. And to start off the new year, we've introduced some new analytic pages for you, been requested by our user base. And I wanted to just take you through a quick use case just to explain what we've done and how it works and how you might want to use these new analytics. So I'm logged in here as a manager that also has access to workspace analytics. So I'm logged into the planner. These changes apply to both team analytics and workspace, but we'll use the team analytics as our example. So the use case here is that one or more of Sophia's direct reports has requested approval of the skill profile. And Sophia would like to check what the changes are to make life a little bit easier so she can go to their profile and approve or maybe request more information. So you can see a list of options down the left hand side here. We click on Team Analytics and that would immediately take us into an overview of the team and all of the various skills. I'm not going to take you through this one, plenty of filters there that you can look at later on, but the two pages that we've added relate to professional skill changes. So that's this page here. And we've also got changes that are made to the generic levels of responsibility. So let's go into professional skills and have a look at what we've got here. So if we knew, for example, straight away who the person was, we could come in here and I could select, say, Jane, for example, and the filters will apply, and it's showing me here that Jane has added one skill. Her latest profile approval has been requested, so this makes sense. This is somebody that's approved and I've not yet approved it. Okay, so immediately got some good information there relating to Jane. And if I scrolled a bit further down here, you can see, well, I know now that the change that Jane has made is she's added information governance at level 4. She's added it as she's fully mastered. She's added it to her current version, which is version 6. And if I scroll along, get all this other information. She made the request on the 26th of December. And she last updated her profile on the 17th of September. So a lot of information there. And now I know what Jane has changed. And from that, I can go into My People. So I click on the My People tab. I can see down here that Jane has got an outstanding approval request, this little orange symbol here, or amber. And now I can go and view the profile and approve and make my comments if I'm happy with that change. Alternatively, what I can do is also look across my whole team, see what changes are being made, check other people that have made approval requests. If I click here, shows me that Alan, if I just scroll back, Alan has also made a request for approval. I can see what changes my team has made overall. 35 skills have been added, 5 results have been changed from, say, fully to largely or largely to fully, and 3 skills have been removed, probably because they're redundant. Down here I can see the approval status of their current profile. So these are ones that are not approved. I've got comparison profile approvals. So if I'm comparing changes, I can see whether or not I'm comparing it with a previous version that was approved. Otherwise, it will compare my current profile with profile -1. Okay, and I can also check ones where the latest profile is approved. So it will show me changes that have been made previously and approved. I've got exactly the same sort of information relating to generic levels of responsibility. A little bit of a difference here. I've got a different filter. So up at the top here, it would be a list. If all 5 had been changed, we'd see all 5 of the generic levels of responsibility. There's only 2 changes been made here. It's not as sophisticated in terms of the different types of changes. We can really just move from one level to another across all 5 of those generic levels of responsibility, because everyone has got all 5 within their skill profile or the Sophia profile. And I've got the same logic here. I can see latest profile approval has been requested. Obviously it's Betty, she's made 2 changes. Complexity's gone from 4 to 5. And interestingly enough, influence has dropped from 5 to 4. So maybe that was an error when she first did her assessment. And I can come in here and you can see that Betty has got an outstanding approval, and I've got the same option. I can go to her profile and approve it accordingly, and then I've got more certainty around that data. So that was it, folks. Just a real quick overview of what we've got in this new version of the analytics. And as before, wish you all the best for 2021. And we're certainly looking forward to bringing you lots of new features. And some of those will definitely relate to analytics as we progress through this new year. Thanks again, and talk soon.